expedite the imported consignments clearance. The risk-based management system on the pre-arrival clearance has already been initiated at the Karachi port. As a modern and dynamic organization, I am confident that Pakistan Customs will constantly strive to keep pace with the challenges ahead. I believe that no future initiative can be successful unless an organization puts human capital development as its first priority. It is, after all, the young officers of Pakistan Customs who will drive the organization's digital and sustainable transformation to enable smooth flow of trade and secure the well-being of the society. It is thus essential to launch initiatives that not only inculcate but reinforce professional pride in the force that guards the country's economic frontiers. While it is essential that the next generation of Pakistan be equipped with the latest skills and technology, it is equally important to create opportunities and an enabling environment for their personal and professional enhancement. Professional pride is a sense of accomplishment that comes from excelling in one's job and from the recognition that the work of customs officials is important and has a tangible impact on the society. International Customs Day, in fact, allows us to celebrate the efforts of our customs colleagues. Fostering a culture of knowledge sharing and professional pride not only contributes to the motivated and efficient workforce, but also vitalizes the whole organization. I wish Pakistan Customs the very best in its efforts to build a modern, efficient, and dynamic workforce capable of balancing trade facilitation and enforcement, dealing with complex cross-border trade and supply chain issues, and continuously upgrading its skills to meet the demands of a fast-paced global economy. We at FBR are very well aware of the needs of a skilled and motivated workforce and are striving hard to provide an environment where the culture of knowledge sharing is entrenched. I hope that the next generation will embrace this culture. Today, let us all take a moment to cherish the achievements of our young officers in anticipation of a much brighter and prosperous Pakistan. I have been asked to say something in Urdu too. Khawatino Hazrat, जैसा कि इस साल की थीम है इंटरनेशनल कस्टम्स डे की, इसके पीछे ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो इनिशिएटिव्स जो हमने एफबीआर में लिए हैं, जो ऑटोमेशन से रिलेट करते हैं और डेटा शेयरिंग से रिलेट कर रहे हैं. पूरी दुनिया जब आगे तरक्की करके गई है तो वो इन्हीं इनिशिएटिव्स की बेसिस पे गई है. ये जो चीज़ें अब हम ऑटोमेट कर रहे हैं कस्टम्स पे में भी और इनलैंड रेवेन्यू में भी, जो हमारा टैक्स गैप है पाकिस्तान का, ये इंशाल्लाह ये अगले बहुत ही कम अरसे में हम इस गैप को ब्रिज करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे.
चेयरमैन एफबीआर तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने कहा कि इदारों की तरक्की से ही मुल्क की तरक्की जामिन है. मुआशरे की बेहतरी के लिए हर किसी को इनफरादी तौर पर किरदार अदा करना होगा. साजगार माहौल से ही पैदावारी तरक्की मुमकिन है. आज अगर हम मेहनत करेंगे तो आने वाली नस्लों को मुस्तकबिल में